Tech Fix Guides channel, solving your everyday problems one video at a time.
If your camera suddenly stops working in Zoom or Teams, don't panic. Maybe the screen is black, maybe the image is frozen, maybe it says camera not detected, or maybe the webcam works in one app but not another. The good news is, most webcam problems on Windows 11 are usually caused by permissions, app conflicts, wrong camera selection, or simple Windows settings. So in this guide, I'll walk you through a safe fix ladder, starting with the easiest checks first, before moving to drivers, repairs, and deeper troubleshooting. And the first step is extremely important. Before touching Zoom or Teams, test the webcam outside the meeting apps first. Open the Start menu, search for Camera, and open the Windows Camera app. Now this result tells us a lot. If the camera app works normally, that usually means your webcam hardware is okay, and Windows can already see the camera correctly. So the problem is probably Zoom, Teams, permissions, or app conflicts. But if the camera app does not work either, then we continue with the Windows settings, drivers, and hardware-related checks. Now let's move to the most common fix, camera privacy permissions. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Camera. Here you need to check 3 important settings. First, camera access. Make sure it's turned on. Second, let apps access your camera. Turn that on too. And third, let desktop apps access your camera. This one matters a lot for apps like Zoom and Teams, because desktop apps often don't appear as individual app toggles. Instead, they rely on the desktop app permission setting. Now, after permissions, let's check whether Windows actually sees the webcam correctly. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Cameras. Here, Windows should show your connected cameras. If you see an internal webcam, USB webcam, or external camera, that's a good sign. If something looks disabled, enable it again. And if available, try resetting the camera settings. Now let's move to another very common cause, camera conflicts. A webcam usually works with one app at a time. So if another app already controls the camera, Zoom or Teams may fail to access it. Open Task Manager and close apps like Discord, OBS Studio, browser meeting tabs, virtual camera software, or even another copy of Zoom or Teams running in the background. This problem happens more often than people realize, especially after meetings, because apps sometimes stay open in the background. Now let's check Zoom directly. Open Zoom Workplace. Go to Settings, then Video. At the top, you'll see the camera drop-down menu, and this is where many people accidentally select the wrong device. You might see virtual cameras, old USB capture devices, OBS cameras, or disconnected webcams. Make sure the real webcam is selected, and if more than one camera appears, switch between them and test the preview. Now let's do the same thing inside Microsoft Teams. Open Teams. Go to Settings, then Devices. Under Camera, select the correct webcam, and check whether the preview appears properly. If Teams offers a test call feature on your version, you can use that too. Now, if you use an external USB webcam, there are a few quick hardware checks worth trying. Unplug the webcam, reconnect it, try another USB port, and for testing, avoid weak USB hubs or docking stations temporarily. Then open the Windows Camera app again and test the webcam directly. Sometimes the issue is simply a weak USB connection or unstable hub. Now, if the webcam still fails, we move to Device Manager. Open Start, Search, Device Manager, then open Cameras. Find your webcam in the list. Now follow this order carefully. First, right-click the webcam, Choose Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then enable it again. Sometimes this alone resets the connection properly. If that doesn't help, right-click again and choose Update Driver. And here's something important. Only use Windows Update or your PC manufacturer's official support page. Avoid random driver download websites or driver booster tools. Those often create more problems. And if needed, you can also uninstall the webcam device, then restart Windows. Windows will usually reinstall the webcam driver automatically after reboot. Now let's check Windows Update 2. Open Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options. Then, Optional Updates. This area may contain camera drivers, chipset updates, or hardware fixes, and sometimes these optional driver updates solve webcam compatibility problems. Now let's talk about security software. Some antivirus or webcam protection tools can block camera access completely. Open your security software settings. Look for webcam protection, camera privacy, or blocked apps. If Zoom or Teams appears blocked, temporarily allow them for testing, but don't disable all security permanently. This is only for troubleshooting. Now, if permissions and drivers still look correct, we move to App Repair and Reset. For the Windows Camera app, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, Camera, Advanced Options. Then try Repair first, and if needed, Reset. For Teams, update the app first, and if problems continue, repair or reinstall it only after trying the earlier fixes. Now here's another thing many people forget. Browser permissions. If you use Zoom or Teams in Chrome or Edge, browser permissions are separate from Windows permissions. Open the meeting website, click the lock icon near the address bar. Then allow camera access. Refresh the page and make sure the correct webcam is selected inside the web app itself. Now near the end of the troubleshooting ladder, there's one advanced test, Clean Boot. This is not the first fix. It's mainly used to check whether another background app or service is interfering with the webcam. If the webcam suddenly works in Clean Boot, then something starting with the Windows is probably causing the conflict. And finally, let's mention physical hardware checks. Some laptops include privacy shutters, function key camera toggles, or BIOS level camera disable options. And sometimes, the webcam hardware itself may fail. If the camera never appears anywhere, not in Camera app, not in Device Manager, not in Zoom, not in Teams, then the issue may be hardware, firmware, or an internal webcam connection problem. At that point, testing with an external webcam is a good way to confirm. So before we finish, let's quickly recap the full process. Because when a camera suddenly stops working in Zoom or Teams, most people immediately assume the webcam is broken. But in reality, most camera problems on Windows 11 come from permissions, conflicts, wrong settings, or apps using the camera in the background. And that's why the safest approach is to troubleshoot step by step. Start with the Windows Camera app first. This is one of the most important checks, because if the Camera app works, that usually means Windows already detects the webcam correctly. So the problem is probably Zoom, Teams, browser permissions, or another app conflict. But if the Camera app itself does not work, then you know the issue is deeper. Possibly Windows permissions, drivers, privacy settings, or hardware related. Next, always check Windows Camera permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and make sure camera access is enabled, apps can access the camera, and desktop apps are allowed too. That last setting matters especially for apps like Zoom and Teams. After that, check whether another app is already using the webcam. This happens all the time. Discord, OBS, browser meeting tabs, virtual camera tools, or even another copy of Zoom running in the background. One app holding the camera can completely block another app from using it. Then move to Zoom and Teams themselves. Open their video settings and carefully check the selected camera. Because many people accidentally choose virtual cameras, old devices, or disconnected USB webcams without realizing it. If you use an external webcam, keep the hardware test simple. Reconnect it. Try another USB port. Avoid weak USB hubs temporarily. And test it again inside the Windows Camera app. Then, if needed, go deeper into Device Manager. Disable and re-enable the webcam. Update drivers safely through Windows Update or the official PC manufacturer. And avoid random driver download tools. Now remember, browser permissions are separate too. If you use Zoom or Teams inside Chrome or Edge, you still need to allow camera access inside the browser itself. That's another step people often miss. And finally, if nothing works, then start thinking about security software, clean boot testing, privacy shutters, function key webcam toggles, or possible hardware problems. But those stronger fixes should come later, not first. That's the whole idea behind this troubleshooting ladder. Start simple, test carefully, move one step at a time. Because most webcam issues can actually be fixed without reinstalling Windows or replacing the webcam. And once you understand the process, camera problems become much less stressful. You stop randomly changing settings and start troubleshooting logically. That's the real goal here. Not just fixing Zoom or Teams once, but knowing how to diagnose webcam problems properly in the future too. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more practical Windows troubleshooting videos, and check out the next guide for more safe fixes for common Zoom, Teams, and Windows 11 problems.